Imagine a land so remote, so hostile, that it was the last continent on Earth to be discovered and explored. A place where temperatures plummet to unimaginable lows, where daylight and darkness alternate in 6-month cycles, and where the landscape is dominated by ice, covering mountains, valleys, and seas alike. This is Antarctica, the frozen frontier. The idea of a great southern landmass had existed in the minds of explorers and cartographers for centuries. Known as Terra Australis Incognita, this mythical continent was thought to balance the world's landmasses. However, it wasn't until the early 19th century that humans first set eyes on the frozen shores of Antarctica. In 1820, a Russian expedition led by Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen and Mikhail Lazarev became the first to sight the continent, marking the beginning of humanity's relationship with the coldest place on Earth. The late 19th and early 20th centuries marked the heroic age of Antarctic exploration. Adventurers like Ernest Shackleton, Robert Falcon Scott, and Roald Amundsen embarked on perilous journeys to explore the unknown. Shackleton's infamous Endurance expedition, which aimed to cross the continent, ended in an incredible tale of survival after the ship was trapped and crushed by ice. Meanwhile, Amundsen's team became the first to reach the South Pole in 1911, beating Scott's British team by just weeks. These explorers faced unimaginable challenges, from treacherous ice conditions to the brutal cold, and their stories have become legendary. The focus on exploration shifted towards science in the mid-20th century. The International Geophysical Year of 1957 to 1958 was a turning point, as nations collaborated to study Antarctica. During the IGY, the continent became a hub for scientific research, with bases established by multiple countries. Discoveries about the continent's geology, climate, and ecosystems have since provided crucial insights into Earth's history and environment. In 1959, the Antarctic Treaty was signed by 12 nations, designating Antarctica as a scientific preserve and banning military activity on the continent. This landmark agreement marked the beginning of a new era of cooperation, with over 50 countries now conducting research under the treaty's principles. Today, modern explorers and scientists continue to uncover Antarctica's secrets, through ancient ice cores that reveal past climates to the discovery of subglacial lakes and life forms that thrive in extreme conditions. Despite the progress made, Antarctica still holds many mysteries. Scientists are studying the continent's role in global climate change, particularly the melting of ice sheets and its potential impact on sea levels. The vast, unexplored regions beneath the ice, including subglacial lakes and mountain ranges, continue to intrigue researchers, hinting at hidden ecosystems and geological features yet to be fully understood. Life in Antarctica is a constant battle against the elements. The extreme cold, unpredictable weather, and isolation make it one of the most challenging environments for human habitation. Scientists and support staff who work at Antarctic research stations must adapt to these harsh conditions, often staying for months at a time, limited contact with the outside world. Despite these challenges, the work they do is critical, providing data that helps us understand everything from climate change to the origins of life on Earth. As more nations establish research bases and tourism increases, there are growing concerns about the impact of human activity on Antarctica's fragile ecosystem. The introduction of non-native species, pollution, and the potential for oil and mineral extraction pose significant threats to the continent's pristine environment. The Antarctic Treaty's Environmental Protocol, which prohibits mining and sets guidelines for protecting the environment, is a vital safeguard, but ongoing vigilance is required to ensure that Antarctica remains preserved for future generations. Antarctica is a place of extremes, a land of ice and isolation that has tested the limits of human endurance and curiosity. From the daring expeditions of the heroic age to the collaborative scientific efforts of today, the exploration of Antarctica is a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge. As the challenges of the 21st century unfold, this frozen frontier remains as vital as ever, offering insights into our planet's past, present, and future. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of Antarctica. Stay tuned for more stories from the world's most remote and fascinating places.